blessing or misfortune. Once, a man lived near the northern borders of China. He was well experienced in the practices of Taoism. One day, his horse ran into the territory of the northern tribes. Maybe this will turn out to be a blessing, said his father. A few months later, the horse came back. A fine horse from the north came running behind him. Maybe this will turn out to be a cause of misfortune, said his father. One day, the man, while riding the horse, fell down. Unfortunately, he broke his thigh bone. Maybe this will turn out to be a blessing, alleged his father. After a year, the northern tribes started to invade the border regions. All the young macho men took up arms to fight. Most of them died in the war. The man was crippled and was unable to join the battle, so both the man and his father survived. Ask a fox for its skin. Li Sheng, a young man, had just married a beautiful woman. One day, she thought that a coat of fox fur would look attractive on her, so she asked Li Sheng to get her a coat of fox fur. But the coat was rare and costly. The husband felt helpless and went on the hillside in search of a fox. Soon he saw a fox with a dazzling coat. Immediately, he caught the fox by its tail. Delighted, he said to the fox, "My wife wants a coat of fox fur. Can you give me your skin so that she may have fur? That isn't a big deal, is it?" The fox was shocked and quickly thought of an idea to save its life. "Well, dear friend, that's easy. You have to let my tail go so that I may pull off the skin for you." The elated man released the fox. The fox ran away as fast as it could into the forest. Kuafu chased the sun. Long ago, Kuafu, the bravest and the fastest giant, lived on the mountain called Heaven Pillar. He could cover hundreds of miles in a single step. One day, he took a tree and began to race after the sun. He chased the sun to the Yu Valley when he felt thirsty and tired to continue. Where could he find some water? With a single stride, he reached the Yellow River and drank the whole river. But it was not enough. He drained the Wai River and marched towards the north for the lakes. At last, he collapsed and the deafening sound rolled everywhere. The tree he was carrying fell and grew into a peach tree grove. Today that forest is called Donglin Forest, a beautiful green forest with sweet peaches. From here comes the idiom Kuafu chased the sun, which becomes the trope of man's determination and volition against nature. Fish for the moon in the well. One day, Haojia, the witty man, went to a well to fetch some water. When he peeped into the well, he saw the moon's reflection and thought that the moon had sunk in the well. "Oh, good heavens, what a pity! The shining moon has dropped into the well." He rushed home for a hook and tied it with rope of his bucket. He threw the bucket into the well to fish for the moon. After a while, Haojia was delighted as the hook caught something. Actually, the hook caught on a rock. He quickly started pulling the rope. He pulled it so hard that the rope broke and Haojia fell flat on his back. Lying on the floor, he saw the moon again, high in the sky. He felt relieved and happy. Aha! It finally came back to its place. What a great job! He felt proud of himself and told everyone he met about his wonderful deed without knowing that what he did was actually unrealistic.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.